few lemons, or I have a few lemons. Which one is correct? Confusing? Not anymore. Let's crack the code to understand the difference between few and a few, though the difference between these two words is very subtle. Few without a article means a small quantity. For example, few students were present there. It means I'm talking about the small number of students, maybe 5 or 10 out of 30 who were present. I'm also talking that majority of the students, maybe 20 or 25, were not present. I could also say a few students were present there. A few also means small quantity. So, what is the difference? Well, the difference is what you are emphasizing. When I say few students were there, I am emphasizing the lack of students. I am emphasizing that the majority of the students were not there. But when I say a few students were there, I am emphasizing on the number of students who were present there. My focus is on the students who were present there. So, that's the subtle difference between few and a few. Now, let's take another example that you can relate to. Let's say you are new to a city. You can say, I have few friends in the city, or I have a few friends in the city. So when I say I have few friends in this city, I am emphasizing the lack of friends I have. Maybe 2 or 3 friends, and I am not very happy about it. But when I say I have a few friends in this city, I am emphasizing on the number of friends I have, although 2 or 3, but I am happy about it that at least I have some friends. So when I say I have few friends in this city, it sounds negative or sad. But when I say I have a few friends in the city, it sounds positive and happy. So, using few or a few is all about what you are emphasizing and how it could change the emotion of the whole statement. Stay amazing, keep learning, and to ace your fluency, download our app, and I'll catch you again in the next video.